Hi Mark, it's Jim. I figured I'd give you a quick video just to show you what it looks like before you even came up. There she blows. And there's the back of it. I say it's a good size hopper on there. Definitely won't run out. And I'll turn it on for you. Don't mind the little radio. Haven't had a chance to clean it. I've got 7 police dogs, canine search and rescue dogs. That's basically it. You can see it's plugged in there. There's the switch, just simple on off. And you can run it whatever way you want it. I'll just turn it on. Quick switch. Yep, there's one of my boys. Ziggy, shut up. Making a movie. There it is. You can hear it running. Well, barely. It's one thing I liked about it. It's very smooth operation, very quiet. We were talking about adjusting the flow on it. You can do it right here. This just slides out and in to adjust your flow. Let's say, just a short video, give you an idea what it looked like. Talk to you later.